friends, I just received this lamp. This lamp is very beautiful because the colors are very nice. The crystal, I love the crystal, it's beautiful. And it comes with everything. You can have to install the lamp. It has all the things you can need to install the lamp. So we have to put it in our bathroom and put it in, see what it looks like. It's already stamped the lamp. As you can see, the lamp is beautiful. I love the colors because it's crystal and black. So it comes with it go with my bathroom because it's very beautiful. I really recommend it because it's really easy to install the lamp. Thank you.